I think I'm the only one here as an endocrinologist. I see a lot of urologists here. And
Okay.
I was really much intrigued to know about erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation because I see a lot of patients, and I'm more interested now in reproductive medicine because I feel the future of our field is there. Since we see a lot of patients with infertility nowadays, but since I'm an endocrinologist, like you mentioned before, one of the other doctors, that I would like to know a little bit more about the medical management from an endocrinologist perspective. So we can know a little bit more about the medical management because like Sir had mentioned, I was really interested to know about this shortwave therapy because we don't have this available in Bangladesh, and PRP also is in a very primitive stage here. So hopefully Dr. Shankar, he can provide us with some hands-on training someday, uh, provided the tensions between Bangladesh and India has improved. We can get a visa to
Sure,
come to India.
sure, doctors, and we'll also export the. We have a equipments with
Yeah.
like a economical base. Like if you go for international standard, like a Stars, Wolf, it is in the dollars. And but Indian manufacturers also there. There are company, even Korean company. They are a very economical base model. We can supply you. We can send the details of distributor, and we'll come to Bangladesh. We'll conduct the workshop also for you.
Thank you, Dr. Shankar. Thank you.
Yeah.
And also, Dr. Ashish, he gave a very interesting lecture on penile implants, and this is something new for me because I'm not a neurologist. So, from a neurology perspective, I think it's holds a very promising future. The penile implants.